RPA cost-benefit analysis, cost savings, and ROI. As per McKinsey, return on investment after RPA implementation varies between 30 and as much as 200% in the first year itself. In companies belonging to highly regulated industries, such as insurance and banking, automation is a cheap and faster way of applying superior capability to the problem of compliance. Lower risks, scalability, and so on deliver 20 to 25% savings on average. Savings directly add positively to the bottom line. Key takeaways. RPA is here to stay and has evolved since early 2000s. Areas of application of RPA include banking, insurance, supply chain, manufacturing, and so on, wherever there are simple, rule-based, repetitive tasks. This concludes robotic process automation. Lesson 2. How RPA works. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the functions of RPA bots, list the types of RPA bots, classify the types of RPA bot setup, explain the functions of RPA recorder, list the tasks of RPA bots. As industrial robots transformed the factory floor, RPA bots transform back offices. RPA bots replicate employee actions like opening files, inputting data, copy-pasting fields in an automated way. Types of RPA. There are 3 types of RPA designed for different business needs. 1. Unattended or autonomous. 2. Attended. 3. Hybrid. Autonomous or unattended RPA. Ideal for reducing work of back office employees, like completing data processing tasks in the background. Specified intervals, launched at specific times to batch process data. Bot initiated by another bot, or data input in a specified location, triggered when data is input in the system. Example, a new employee or new transaction triggers compliance or business, say marketing, sales related needs. Attended RPA. Live on user's machine and triggered by user. Example, customer service representative talks to customer and then needs to complete 10 steps across multiple systems. The representative can initiate the bot to complete these manual tasks. Options to launch these bots included: A. Embedded on employee screen, launched at specific times, like say when the customer service representative completes talking with customer. B. Auto run based on conditions, initiated by a condition, say after the customer service representative enters phone number, email address, and reason for customer call in respective fields. Or C. On RPA client tool, triggered when customer service representative clicks button on client tool. Hybrid RPA. Attended plus unattended RPA bots together to address front and back office challenges in the enterprise. To set up an RPA bot, it isn't required to know programming. There are 4 ways to set up RPA bots. 1. Programming. 2. Using graphical user interfaces or GUIs. 3. Recorder. 4. Self-learning bots. 1. Programming. If you're a computer programmer or a software developer, this is the way you would probably want to develop a bot. Programming tells the bot which programs to use and how to interact with those programs. Good news, one does not have to be a programmer to build a bot. 2. Graphical User Interface or GUI. Many vendors like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or Blue Prism offer its customers a flowchart-based drag-and-drop tool to build bots. The image shown here is just an example of a rule-based repetitive task. The flowchart will vary from company to company. 3. Recorder. Like macros in Excel, recorded actions can include enterprise software, like take data from Salesforce plus merge report from SurveyMonkey in Excel to identify customers to target for email marketing campaigns. Recorders enable rapid bot programming. A major difficulty encountered in recorder-based bot creation is that it is error-prone for complex functionality. Recorded bots are difficult to maintain because their code is machine-produced and hard to read. 4. Self-learning bots. They are the easiest to deploy. They watch recorded employee actions to mimic repetitive tasks. Their learning is based on recognizing images of scraped screenshots. This can cause mistakes. This is why these bots need auditing. If the bots do not understand steps to complete tasks, they are set up to contact employees. Once they are set up, a separate module can be built to start or stop them, as well as analyze them for activity. Examples of RPA bots: data collection, matching, verification, launching and using applications like opening emails and attachments, logging into applications, merge files and folders. Data processing, follow logical if-then rules, input data to forms, make calculations, extract and put data to and from dashboards, merge data from multiple sources, copy and paste data, and so on. And finally, integrate with enterprise tools, connect with system APIs, reading and writing to database, automate SQL queries, and so on. Key takeaways. RPA bots transform back offices. There are 3 types of RPA designed for different business needs. 1. Unattended or autonomous. 2. Attended. 3. Hybrid. There are 4 ways to set up RPA bots. 1. Programming. 2. Using graphical user interfaces or GUIs. 3. Recorder. 4. Self-learning bots. This concludes Lesson 2, How RPA Works.